Achieve them is never easy, and
to accelerate growth in trade and investment, we have agreed on the following steps for immediate action. That the Czech Republic consider establishing a commercial hub in Nairobi and use Kenya's geostrategic advantage as a gateway for the broader regional and continental engagement in terms of trade and investment. And that we implement urgent measures to establish a business council that will serve as a platform for bilateral private sector consultations and engagements to be brought together by the Chamber of Commerce in Kenya and the Chamber of Commerce in the Czech Republic.
We establish a new level of our contacts, both at political and also business level. And I hope that the new treaties on air services and the double taxation will be finished soon, and I hope it will help deepen our trade, investment and contacts.